Okay, so what is up everyone? This is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. We're gonna talk about something different actually here in this video. I'm not gonna share with you a custom room review and any kind of Magisk module like that, but I'm gonna share with you a modding tool through which you can edit and mod your APK files installed on your device, or maybe just an APK file. It's been a quite interesting video. If you have ever heard the name of APK tool, you have probably heard about the APK tool on PC, but yes, you can use the APK tool to recompile and decompile APKs on your device, Android device, which is working quite good. This is the file which you need, and as expectedly, it requires super user request, which means you need a rooted device to use this app. And after installation, you don't need to install any specific packages for that. It will automatically install the Java, as you already know, to compile or decompile anything related Java, anything related APKs and apps. You need Java because these are written in Java. So yes, if you want to install all these packages, you may require some other things, but this app is quite good and interesting thanks to its developer. With this, you can easily edit all the APK files and apps on your device. Install data tool, install Java. It will install automatically everything, but one thing to keep in mind that it will not be able to edit all the high class APKs like inbuilt settings APKs, system UI APK. But I haven't tried it out yet, but maybe it will work, maybe it will not work. I tried decompiling and recompiling a simple APKs just installed on my system, and those were just working perfectly fine. That's why I tested and it's just working good. You just need to grant all the permissions, and this is a simple UI which you get here, but simple and attractive one. That's why I'm using this build right now on my device, this kind of tool. And how you can use this, and which is the thing which you need to keep in mind, which is called APK tool, which we're gonna discuss right now. We have the version option available, which is which version you want to use. Of course, the latest one is always recommended. I'm using the latest APK tool 2.5.1, which is the latest one right now. Maybe after some time it would not be the latest one. Like that, we have the option to decode the file, which means kind of a decompiling. You just need to select the APK file which you want to decompile on your device. For example, I have some APK files. I'm gonna choose the Aurora Droid app, and if you don't know what is Aurora Droid and how you can use that, I have a video on my Hindi channel. Make sure to check out that. You just need to simply choose what you want to edit or what you don't want to edit, and this is the UI which you get here. And yes, it's extracted, which means it is now decompiled. If you want to find out that where are the resources which you need to edit and which you want to edit and else like that, just move on to the location where we have that APK file like this. This is the folder, and here we have all the extracted files from the APK. Here you can simply edit the classes and rest folder. We have everything available, all the icons, strings, whatever else you want to edit. It's just up to you. Very easy to decompile an APK. And if you have any kind of app available to view these XMLs, etc., I don't have anything actually. As you can see, I just try to open it from me doc viewer, which means it will not work. But yes, it has all the XMLs, HTMLs and icons and everything, so you can simply check it out if you want to. These are some interesting things about this APK tool. And as I previously mentioned to you, you can simply decompile and recompile APKs just from your Android device. Including that, it also comes with some mass decoding related options where you can simply decode a lot of APKs at once, which is one of our favorite features. And including that, recompiling option. Of course, if you want to decompile, you need to recompile also. Like that, we have other options where you can simply customize that how you want to recompile an APK, how it will be signed, what is the signed certificate, a lot more things. If you are a little bit of advanced user and interested in these kind of things, this might be a very helpful app for you. This was all from today's short and simple video. Let me show you a little bit of more things. For example, if you want to download any other latest version directly from the online, you will see this option. Simply click on continue. It will automatically download and install on your device. So it is just not kind of an app, but kind of a very interesting online software where you can simply install, use APK tool directly on just on your Android device. So that's good. It's very helpful for all the users if you don't have PC right now on your hands. Very easy guide, and like that, it also comes with a little bit of extra customizations options which you can simply go and explore. Link for this app is in the description as always. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.